Hey guys, I've just watched something that isn't right. It isn't right at all. Fox mocks Canada? Why would they do that? Like, they gotta understand that we take a break because, well, hell, they make a shitty job at being an army. I can't believe it that they would say things like that. Make fun of our Mounties, which are great officers that will help our city, and they're a bunch of jackass bastards. How can they say that about us? We are Canadians, we are proud to be Canadians. And they make fun of us? We are their allies? No wonder so many of us Canadians don't like America. It's because of them. So what is the point of them even doing that? Even on broadcast TV networks all around the United States. It's given us a bad name. It's given them, showing them that America is a shitty America that no one wants to go to because they'll make fun of Canadians, saying our army sucks and that they can attack us. Like, I'm so frustrated about that. It's not right at all. Like, I can't believe it. I just don't know what to say. It's total bull. I'm speechless myself. But yes, anyone respond back to this? Comment, do whatever. I want to hear you guys. You Canadians.